Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G77 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's go to language and region, and here tap on system languages. So as you can see, here we've got the list of languages which are currently kind of applied to the system. So if you've got the language that you'd like to set right here, all you have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Your device will ask you whether you really want to do it, so just tap on change, so the right option. And as you can see, from now on, we've got our new language applied. If you do not have the language here, no worries, just tap on this plus icon. And as you can see, we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. I'll pick this one. You can also choose the region, so just tap on it. And as you can see, our new language will be immediately applied to the list, but the Spanish is still a main one. So to change it, just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Again, tap on this option on the right, and from now on, we've got Turkish applied. Let me quickly change it to English. Alright, and if you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and here we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.